What's up guys, Eric with Verus Engineering, and we are going to be doing another simple install on our Civic Type-R today. Alright, so we have two caps, we have two AC line adapters. We're going to actually assemble these here shortly, and then we actually have two O-rings which are already installed. Tools required, we're going to need a large flathead screwdriver and some Loctite. All right, so for assembly, we're going to basically flip this guy over. We're going to install the big part into those threads in the base of that cap. To do so, we're going to add just a tiny bit of Loctite so that these don't come apart again when you're screwing and unscrewing the AC line. The adapters are actually two different sizes, but it doesn't matter which cap they go into, so pick one and go with it. Ultimately, just go to finger tight and then as hard as you can right there, and then the Loctite will do the rest. All right, so we have the assembled AC caps. You don't need to let them dry because hopefully you don't remove them right away, but they can dry on car. Remember to install those O-rings. Small O-ring goes with the small part, big O-ring goes with the big one. We're going to basically install these after removing the factory one. And you'll feel the O-ring squish a little bit. There you have it. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little install, and I hope you enjoy sprucing up your engine bay a little bit, and we'll see you next time.